In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Adobe Acrobat comments. If your comments in Adobe Acrobat are showing the wrong name, the good news is that this can usually be fixed by updating your Adobe account details. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make sure your profile name and account name both match what you want to appear. Start by going to your Adobe Acrobat homepage. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you can access your settings. From that menu, click on Manage Account. This will take you to your Adobe account page where your personal and account information is stored. If you're prompted to sign in again, just complete that step and continue. On the account page, click on Edit Profile. This is where Adobe lets you update the name connected to your profile. After that, find the option labeled Change next to profile name and click it. Now click into the first name and last name fields and update them with the name you want to use. Take a moment to check the spelling carefully, since this is the information tied to your visible profile identity. When you're done, click Save. After saving that first section, scroll down the page. You'll want to repeat a similar update in another area to keep everything consistent. In the Account Information and Access section, find Account Name and click Change next to it. Again, click into the first and last name fields and enter the name you want to use. This second update is important because changing only one section may not fully update how your name appears across Adobe services, including comments and Acrobat. Once you've entered the correct name, click Save again. After both areas have been updated, your Adobe account should now reflect the new name. In some cases, changes may appear immediately, while in others, it may take a little time for Acrobat comments to refresh. If you don't see the update right away, try closing and reopening the document, or signing out of Adobe Acrobat and signing back in. It's also a good idea to check an existing PDF comment or create a new test comment afterward to confirm the change has gone through properly. And that's it. That's how to change the name shown on Adobe Acrobat comments by updating both your profile name and your account name in your Adobe account settings.